Now, let me show you how you can turn off natural scrolling on your Mac computer. Doesn't matter if you have the MacBook, iMac, or anything else. You can go to the settings app like this. This is the system settings section, and on the left panel, as you can see, we can scroll through the different menus, and at the bottom we're gonna find the mouse, which is connected currently. So as you can see, I can browse the battery percentage, and it is naturally a magic mouse, but it would work the same way for even other types. And in this section, which might as well be trackpad, right, by the way, you can go in here and manage the scrolling behavior. So first of all, we have the speed of the cursor moving around, and below that we have natural scrolling. It's just one toggle which you can enable or disable, and it changes the way that it works. So you pay attention to this like diagram at the top. When you drag it from the top to the bottom, the page also goes from the top to the bottom, right? And when you enable it, it's going to be reversed, right? So you track it up and down, it just goes and moves differently. So you can definitely give it a try. I personally like to have that enabled, right? But you can do it however you like. That's the point of the settings menu. Let me know if you managed to find it and set it up the way that you prefer it. Thanks a lot for watching. Definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one, and I'll see you later.